Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If Battlefield 6 isn't launching, keeps crashing, or just won't start on Steam or the EA app, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step solutions to fix the problem and get your game running again. Let's get started. Solution 1. On Steam. Open Steam. Go to your library. Find Battlefield 6. Right-click it and select Properties. Click on Installed Files. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for Steam to check and repair your files. On the EA app, open the EA app, go to My Library, select Battlefield 6, click on Manage, click Repair and wait for the process to finish. This will fix corrupted or missing files in your Battlefield 6 installation. Solution 2. If you're using Steam, right-click Battlefield 6 in your library. Select Properties. Click on Installed Files. Click Browse Local Files to open the game folder. Find bf6.exe. Right-click it and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Check Run this program as an administrator. Check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Click Apply, then OK. Launch the game. If you're using the EA app, click Manage on Battlefield 6. Select Properties, click Open Folder, right-click bf6.exe, and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Enable Run this program as an administrator and disable full screen optimizations. Click Apply, then OK, and launch the game. This ensures Battlefield 6 has permission to run and avoids display conflicts. Solution 3. Open the Start menu. Type Device Manager and open it. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card. Select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Wait for Windows to install the latest version. This updates your GPU drivers to ensure full compatibility with the game. Solution 4. Open the Start menu. Type NVIDIA app and open it. Click on the Drivers tab. Click Check for updates. If a new driver is available, click Download and Install. This installs the latest performance and stability updates for NVIDIA users. Solution 5. Open the link in the description of this video. Scroll down and download VCReadest x86 and VCReadest x64. Locate the downloaded files. Double-click VCReadest x64. Click Yes, accept the terms, install, and click Close. Don't restart yet. Double-click VCReadest x86 and install it the same way. Restart your PC to apply the changes. This reinstalls the essential runtime components required by Battlefield 6. Bonus tip for NVIDIA users. Open the NVIDIA app. Go to Library, select See All, look for Battlefield 6, click on it. Find Smooth Motion and turn it off. Go to Global Settings and disable Smooth Motion there as well. Relaunch the game. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix Battlefield 6 not launching or crashing on both Steam and the EA app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.